now.
Henry's crazy now?
Yes.
Is he a silly puppy?
Yes. And now see big puppy.
When you saw that big puppy?
Yeah.
I remember.
And now, hey, hot cocoa.
Oh, here comes Eli with her hot
This
cocoa.
is yours, Mom.
Oh, okay, great. Thank you.
I'm going to let the yours course down.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Because yours is too hot. There's only, but these tucked in the end.
Oh, she can have some of mine.
Mine didn't have any. I guess I might have to put some hot cocoa in.
What are you guys drinking?
Hot cocoa.
Hot cocoa? Is it good?
Yes.
Yes.
Some more.
You need some more?
It's Eli's cup and my cup. Hot cocoa.
Yum.
Mommy's.
Mommy's cup's still cooling down.
This would toy that down into the house. Dad, my dad and Eli time. But we need new cups because
Oh,
we
stop.
don't want to swim the bus. But I guess we didn't have these cups.
It won't spread germ bugs. You just keep your own cups.
Yeah,
Is that
but
good
they
cocoa?
avoid. Yes, it's a new one.
We're getting a new one?
It's a tree. When my hot cocoa with yours tastes a long, long time ago.
Okay. What do you say when you ask for more cocoa, Whitney?
Please.
That's right.